I'm going to show you how to use the ZIIP Halo for, I'm going to do today the lip area and the jowls, just to prevent getting jowls. I'm using this more as preventative care. So I have a clean face, wash my face. I have the app on my phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to turn your ZIIP Halo on. Then in the app, you can pick which treatment. I'm going to use the lip one and it'll sync. It's syncing right now. When you hear that, it means it's ready to go. So the first thing she's going to tell you is to put on your conductor gel around your lips. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. It's a clear gel, and it's so that the microcurrent can work its best. So you can see it's all around my lips. And then what will happen is she will show you, I'll turn up a little bit, but it'll literally beep when you need to move it to the other side. So I'm starting with the bottom. I'll show you here. And I'm working in conjunction with her program. And you can have the sound up so you can hear her, but I've done it enough times that I just kind of know what to do now. And you'll hear when it does the bigger, longer beep, it means to move it to the upper lip. And that's where I'm actually mostly focusing on, because I have a little bit of lip lines that I just want to make sure that they don't deepen at all. But this is a nice way to take care of your skin from home. I like how portable it is. You can literally feel it working. So hers is not there. So that's my signal now to go to side on my upper lip. And then when I'm done this one, I'm going to do the jowls as well, so you'll be able to see that. And I'm literally just going right to the middle on each side, focusing on my lip lines. And then when I'm done this, I'll just wash this off my face and put on my makeup as normal. And then for the next one, I'll actually put the conductor gel on right away to show you. We're almost done. I try to do this one once a day. There's the odd time, obviously, you get busy, but okay, so I'm all done now. So I would just wipe this off if I was finishing, but we're going to do, there's a lot of different treatments in here, by the way, like there's lifts and all kinds of things, but I am going to do, where's the jowls? There's the founder's favorite. So I'm going to do this one, the jowls. So I'm going to click on that one. And because it turned itself off, I'll just turn it back on because it automatically turns off, and then start treatment. And she's again just going to start with telling me to cover the whole area. So we're going to do it kind of right here and under here. You want to make sure you've got enough gel. This is the area that we're targeting. So now this one, we start right here and we go up. I'm going to watch her because I haven't done this one in a little while. See, under the chin. When you hear it vibrate is when you want to move it. And then we move it slightly further out each time. And then we go back in again. And back in here. And then out just a little bit more. I can feel it tingling. Means it's doing something. And one more. And then it kind of ramps up. It'll be a little bit more tingling. And then we'll do the other side. And you can feel it. You can feel the sensation just get a little stronger. And again, this is to lift this area a little bit. Anything to push back time a little bit. Okay, so that means go to the other side now. So I'm gonna go up here.